Hey guys, this is Josh Y2K2000, and today I'm going to react SML short, The Birds and the Bees. And let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, play. What? Really? Did he come again, making that random word? What?
I saw you talk to that female monkey the other day.
Oh, okay.
I think it's time
He's
for us
using his
to
normal
have
voice.
The talk.
The talk? Yeah, exactly, the talk.
You know, the birds and the bees.
Oh my god, I get it. I want to know.
The birds and the bees, when the bird...
Oh god, I ain't never seen that coming.
Never, ever compare birds to bees. Man, what your problem is?
I think he does not want to hear it.
Don't ever compare birds to bees.
He really
totally
cares.
Different. Bees have stingers and they hurt.
What?
And birds, we're allergic to bees.
You're allergic to bees?
Got stung by a bee.
Jesus.
Alright, son, go out and play, but watch out for those
really?
bees.
Okay, Dad. Please.
Okay, so
Look at my son.
it comes back.
No, Junior!
Oh
Junior,
wow.
no,
He never listened.
Junior!
What happened to me, Dad? I'm all swelled up.
What the frick?
Don't worry, son.
Really?
It's just puberty.
That
let's go to the
character
hospital, okay?
from that big bird guy? Oh my
Man, you got
god.
problems. You need to go to the doctor or something.
I think he's telling the truth, man.
Why do you think I'm angry?
Yeah, because he is angry. And then about birds and the bees. Post a comment and tell me what is your favorite part of the SML short was. New video tomorrow. Subscribe for more videos. I think my favorite part of SML short, I think probably, well, I was trying to remember that last time I watched a lot of SML shorts of it, but I kind of don't remember. Yeah, but I don't know. I usually take time to think. Because, well, my favorite part, well, it would be, I don't know. It took long to think. I don't know. Probably what I know is, wait a minute. Never mind. My favorite part of SML short is probably the big red bird, because I know that character. He's also strong and mad, and yeah, this is my favorite part. Yeah, alright. And the next video I'm going to react is SML short, Scrambled Eggs. Okay, well hang on, I need to get the video out. Let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, play. Once upon a time on a feathery night. Okay, so there's characters sleeping on the bed.
What?
And
where am I?
you're on a dream, dude.
No!
Oh, okay. So he's afraid of scrambled eggs. I think it's because of the babies in there and they were killed, I think. Yeah. Wait. Oh my god, there's Lavelle.
What's up?
There's Lavelle.
Man, that's messed up, man.
Oh no, not again. I saw that video later.
No!
But
It's just a bad dream, man.
oh, never mind. I thought he said. I'm just confused. Oh my god, is this gonna be a bad dream about scrambled eggs now? What the? Really? Ew! Why you be eating scrambled eggs in the shower? Now everyone's gonna be scared. Let's see the white bird feels.
Texting the cutie pie. I can't wait to
Hey Chad? Who's Chad? Sorry Tony, I'm breaking up with... Okay, that's... Okay, so he's the only one who's
I think I just
not
TT'd in the bed, guys.
a bad dream about girlfriend.
Tony. Guys, let's just go back to sleep. This is like we're all having
There'll be
bad dreams.
more nightmares of scrambled eggs. Meanwhile, at the Eggs Guy house. Oh my god. Excuse me, I just burped. Now he's gonna have some eggs for breakfast every day, since the birds do not like them. Did they took them? Uh-oh. Oh, that's pretty sad. That is sad. Well, okay, well that was good. Yeah. Good dreams, but weird. It's kind of gross. Yep, I think that's it. There's no more questions on this video, and I hope you like it. Subscribe to me, and peace off.